Welcome back to Culture Corner Review for culture news, reviews, and everything in between. Let's get it.
Yes, sir. What up, y'all? Hey, I can't really go crazy and do my intro, but hey, yo.
Babe, we need to ask the front desk. Let's see.
Front desk what?
Okay, hold on, y'all.
All right, y'all. So we are up here. Oh no, you okay? We are up here. We're figuring out about us hopping on this boat today. You know what I'm saying?
Trying to see.
We're trying to see if they got some boats available. Oh shoot! Drip check. Sorry, babe. All right, come on. Let me see. Stand over here by the pink.
Mermaid thing.
Okay, so baby girl went pink crazy today. You know what I mean? Dress on, looking beautiful. Chanel flops. You know, beach attire. Let me see the bag. Let me see the hair. I like the little hair. The schoolgirl look is crazy.
Little Spice Girl.
The Spice Girl schoolgirl look is crazy. Y'all know me. I had to come out today. I just felt like
With the robe, y'all.
With the robe on.
You're
just
fine.
straight robing it. You know what I'm saying? You feel that? But yeah, we finna see about that. I'm currently coming to take my girlfriend pictures. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Y'all alright?
Pictures, we're ready.
Yeah.
I leave the menu over there.
Yes, please. Yeah.
It says home. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I gotta take her picture, y'all. But I'm about to get y'all behind the scenes.
Let me take this out, baby.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Are you ready? The camera can't even see. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna set y'all down. Oh, she getting that water. She getting in that water. Oh. So, y'all, I normally like to play around before I get inside the water. This time, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just get in the water. See what I'm saying? And take what come with it. Babe, you getting in with me, right? Huh?
Yeah.
I feel like you capping too.
Yeah, I'm getting in.
I feel like there's a little cap involved with her.
I am.
How you doing?
Hola.
Hola. Yeah, okay, say hi.
Hola.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, so we probably finna see about this. That's cold.
Look at me, y'all. Armon made me get in this pool. And I look crazy now, but let me show y'all him. Look, babe. Gotta make sure I don't drop this shit, y'all. Now he think he Murd Miller.
You told me this one, the freckle sun. The freckle sun is like
Hold on, y'all. Babe. Gotta make sure I watch my step. Come here. I'm gonna come right here. Hold up. Not these my pics. No, this is actually YouTube. Say hey. Oh, you know it's not gonna look good.
Why not?
Because the sun right here. I gotta have it come this way, I'll come that way. I gotta get my phone too. Look at the video. I just got, oh my gosh, water in my nose. Look at me. I'm about to come in there. You don't want to see me go in there. Look at this. Hold on, I'm gonna just put it there real quick. Let's see if they can see us. Can they see?
What they say about the boat, princess?
Oh, that's what I need to do. Hold up, y'all.
Alright, y'all, so
Excuse me. Did they figure out about the boat?
the boat?
Actually, Mike, we can just finish the agreement with the owner. He just in a couple minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all can tell, we do have our famous breakfast strawberry daiquiris. How you doing? Yeah, frutas. Thank you. Got to start out the day right. You know what I mean?
Enjoy.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, let me taste it. How it tastes? Yeah, do it taste good as the one yesterday?
Very, very. They didn't put no liquor in there.
What? They did.
No, it's good, but they barely.
Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, you were asking about the yate?
The boat.
The boat?
Both.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, do you know which one it is already?
Tata.
Yes.
That one. Okay, the cost is $1,050 and includes the 4 hours transportation and also the dog fee. That's
Okay.
Okay.
They can pick you up from here at 2:30.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, and everything you have to pay there.
Okay,
Okay.
question. Is there any like food?
All right, y'all. So we just got confirmed on the boat 2:30. We had to go crazy. We had to get right. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna hop on a little personal private yacht.
Reginae from Proud Family.
No, you look like Byron. what was that? What movie was that?
Lottery ticket.
A lottery ticket.
No, that wasn't.
And I look like Kath.
No,
You
that
got the
wasn't
power to
that.
change this, Kath.
Lottery ticket. I don't.
Babe, that was lottery. Oh no, it wasn't.
No, it wasn't. It was something. It was with Lauren and. Oh, I'm looking crazy, man. See, that's not like the pool.
Oh no, you don't, baby.
I don't
Come
like the pool because it makes all of my eye boogers come out and my hair.
We got eye boogers too, baby. But we finna get on that private boat. So we gonna see y'all in a minute. We gonna get dressed. We gonna, you know what I'm saying? And go crazy. Am I right, babe?
Yes.
All right then. I'm gonna see if they got like some white shorts down here, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I can't wear no fucking pants on the way. Yeah. I ain't packed right, y'all. She says
never
always
do.
does this look. There she go.
He never packs right, y'all.
I do.
You never do, babe.
I be packing right a little bit.
Sometimes, like you gonna put that shit in there, but it's like you're not gonna carefully.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
For every single event.
Yeah. See, with me, I'm gonna have about 6-7 outfits.
6-7 outfits, one to sleep in, one to take off, to throw on another one. He's the only one I know that take off outfits to put on another one. See what I'm saying? But alright y'all, we gonna see y'all in a minute. It's gonna be lit. We gonna turn up on this little boat, man, long gang. Y'all, she talking about the pictures that I took. Yo, nobody ever. Ooh.
Cherry is the baby lettuce and the light vinaigrette.
Thank you, brother.
That's a special sandwich just for you guys. Anything else right now?
That's all.
Thank you.
All right.
No,
enjoy.
thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Ready to eat, Chad.
All right, go ahead, baby. Taste test.
Okay. Let's see. That is good. Okay.
Taste test. Ooh. No, it look good.
It look good. It's good.
I said it look good. My fault.
Oh, it's real good.
All right, let me go ahead and try that. You know,
Got it.
that real nigga island food. Oh yeah. Man, you finna go crazy again, ain't you? All right, y'all. Here go me trying.
Hold on, babe. Let me
Breakfast
see.
sandwich.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's dark, y'all. Like how you bite into it. How you like it?
That was going
A
crazy,
little
man.
dark over here.
All right. We finna eat this.
Yeah, we'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back. Yes, sir, ski. So we are in our car, headed to the yacht screen. How you feeling, Mom? You feeling
Real
all
good.
right? Yeah, it's getting a little hold on. What they got going on, man? What they got going on, bro? Get the right for us. Alright, but I don't know what's wrong, man. We gonna just vlog when we get out this car. Okay? Yo, so listen, y'all. We are headed to the yacht.
Yes, we are.
You
We
feel
can't wait
me?
to go. Yeah.
We gotta show y'all the drip check when we get off. Well, get off the car. When we get out of the car and get on to the yacht, we'll show y'all a little drip check. How far is the yacht place?
10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes, okay. So yeah, 10 minutes and y'all.
Okay, y'all, we are here.
Drinks. You got 25 beers, 25 waters, and then 25 soft drinks.
Okay, we're here, y'all.
So you should be good on that. I'm getting addicted on this one, like that. But all those are already included in the price.
Okay, y'all, hold up. Let me take off my shoes.
I need now take over.
Yeah, we got our crew, our boat crew. What's up, man? You alright?
Hi.
We're gonna have some fun today, right? This is me in her room. Yeah, don't ask who all here because it's only us.
Do you have anything I can do with you?
Do you have a cash app or something?
I don't have cash out.
Winking. We on the boat ski. It's time for the pics. I ain't gonna lie. You like the bedroom down there?
Yes, it's so cute. Really relaxing. Can't wait to sell out. It's beautiful.
Yeah, we're gonna have them change this up. But this is the boat, y'all.
Sorry about that. Well, I can't. But I mean, just ask the actual crew. You're saying that once you reach the first isla, they can take you to a spot where you can actually get cash and you can buy chips.
Okay.
Sure, I think you'll be fine with YouTube for now.
Okay.
Give you at least a place to go to buy some chips. Okay?
Y'all need to learn. Y'all need to get cash app or something.
Yeah.
We make money all the time.
Yeah.
We get tips.
Yeah, he from Buford, so he know. He know. Yeah, y'all. We got the boat for the day. It's lit.
I really do apologize for that, but they'll make it some
Okay, we're gonna get the
What's up, man? You alright? Yes, sir, skis.
This boat is rocking, y'all. I don't want to go up there. Look at this boat, bro. What the fuck? I'm rocking.
I look, it's like a woman.
Yeah. Okay. How you doing, man?
What we doing, y'all? About to, I don't know what we doing.
I don't really know what we're doing right now, but we are currently on a different island that you have is 30 like an hour away from Cancun, and we was driven here on the boats by these guys. So yeah, look pretty good. Tourist city. Yeah, I love Cancun, man. You know what's so crazy out here, babe? These people out here be practicing MMA.
Really?
Uh-huh. Street fighter look crazy out here. Exciting.
The pigeons, you know, I'm terrified.
You know they family out here. They
Crazy.
no touch the pigeons. Ooh, shoot.
Oh my God.
It's following you.
No,
It's
not.
babe, no, it's following you.
Honestly, I'm about to go to the
Yes, I love the drinks out here. So what else we trying, baby? Chips. It look good in here, okay. I'm gonna try one of these.
25 pesos.
25 pesos.
Which ones do I like? We can get, it's me getting all of these snacks.
Get them.
But look.
Sorry, y'all, it's blurry. Sorry, enough. There we go. Which one? Do you have any Carmex?
What?
Carmex?
Only the Labedio.
Oh, Labedio.
Labedio.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Oh, let me get him these big burritos.
Es que my boss, you pay my tip and my boss is...
Yes. La bamba despacito. La bamba
Despacito? Yeah, yeah. Oh man, I gotta kill. Hey, hey. Despacito. Hey. Let me see.
I'm facing my fears and I'm about to feed pigeons. Look! Look, okay.
Yo! Come here, you!
Wait!
Come here.
Okay.
Come on, brother. That's what I'm saying.
What it do? Shit! He got it! He got it! He got it!
I got it, I got it.
That's it! That's it!
You talking about facing your fears. Man, you got this.
Babe, I'm scared! Okay, bye-bye. Oh, they get chips, baby.
Hey, you guys, cheat up.
Oh!
Hey!
Babe!
That nigga crazy! Oh no, bro. Hold on, bro.
I just had just turned it up. One more.
One more, hold on.
Okay, babe.
Cheat up.
Here.
You gotta go out there more.
No, he'll take it. Ooh!
He caught it!
Bro, ain't no way. Jump in the water, y'all.
No!
Hey!
Hey, babe!
Yes, sir.
Oh, the birds even like it. No! Don't jump in. Oh, hell no.
Whatever she like, I'm telling you it's real. Tell me how you feel. When I do that one thing, say I give you a chance.
I'm not trying to hurt nobody.
Please keep me sane. Oh my God, so my dogs got them locked up in the cage.